Hello Anmars, I create a video again today. I want to share about important things uh, based on from the title. Today I want to share to you about the topic as a good question as programmer. Hey Adi, you always create a design video. Why you create a programmer video right now? Actually, I was a learned programmer, specifically a web developer. So I have knowledge about the development. So I want to share to you the important thing or topic today to add your knowledge. So what my purpose to share this video? I want to share this video because many of people my outside area or in community usually share the error message or ask anybody in the community with a brutality or and don't have ethic or anything else. So I hope with this video many people can apply what I want to share, the knowledge. So I hope the developer environment make a better and better again. So let's start it in the next topic. So the first, no hello. What's the meaning no hello? In the short descriptions, no hello means don't be too small talk when asking something important. People do this and try to be polite. Is good, but there is a 2022 and not the two of them talking. Now, for most people, typing is a slow activity. That's good, but indirectly, it makes other people wait, and that's not good. This means if you have another problem or you have you want to message other people, and if the thing is urgent, so you can straightforward what you say, and you can send to a screenshot or another thing is you think is important to the people you want to say you want to ask need to know. So I think this important because not other people have free time in, and when you send this there maybe they have another activity, so it's important to send straightforward thing to want to ask. Like example, Yeti, hello, are you around? This the wrong example. Hi Sophie, blah blah blah. Do you have a minute? Ping, this not good, dude, because this is not straightforward to the question. And the right side, hey man, what's up? And does anyone know when it is? Maybe you can include the thing in the first example. And two, I hope you're doing well. I'm looking for the latest info if you have a minute. This is a straightforward, and then after the statement, then you can include the information. So, and the last, hi, if you are not busy, can you try to fix the NVR? So in this talk straightforward to ask, can you try to fix the NVR? So not hi only, or if you are you busy, and I think it's good to include the specific thing you want us. And then don't ask to ask. Today, many people ask but ask back. This causes the question is not straightforward. For example, man, I have a question. I got the error in the app. What application do you work in? So, this is mean if you have another problem or you have a specific problem, you must include the problem like a screenshot or file or link maybe. So the people want to help you is not ask again about the context of your problem. This is important because this in the first I say not many people have a free time like you as might be. So this is important to be a context, include a context in your questions. Because this situation makes the conversation ineffective. Because not all people have a free time to ask your questions. Please make it simple to respect other people's time. Assumes they don't have time to answer our questions, so we must include the context of your question, like my previous description. Okay, and then when asked code error, include your screenshot. Because to easier people to help you, please include your problem happen and screenshot the code, because other programmer is not Indigo. So if you ask, hey dude, I have an error code in my app, and you not send your code of application. So if I get the question, I will recommend the people to, hey dude, please delete your project. This is a perfect solution. Because we not Indigo. Indigo means like you can look things in your mind, in your outside mind. So this is not impossible, man. And then when asked something, produce your way to solve that problem. This method training you make a habit solve first as later in company. Because with you produce the way you solve that is show your effort before ask it. This based on my experience, this method is very important because maybe the expert programmer or another senior programmer look your effort to be produce your problem, like, hey mister, I have a problem in login page. So this is my produce the way to solve it. I already check in the Stack Overflow, and I already check in YouTube, blah blah blah, and I already trying to update my code in this line, blah blah blah. You include your code that you update and anything you want to include. So this is very important because the people which is they look your effort, so if they help you, there's no excuse. Okay, next, why I create this video. This is my personal experience, and then I want create this video to share effective communication in a community, because not all people like the same question in a row. So if another people apply the method, maybe other people can search the problem in community, so they can help us without the ask again. Because if you ask again, solve ask again, and this is not very effective in the future. So I hope with I create this video, we can change the habit of programmer to more clean in the communication. So this to grow the communication, to grow the community and make it the community even bigger again gitu. So thank you for watching my video. I hope this video useful for your insight. If you in relaxed time, so I hope this video can make can add your knowledge. So let's meet again in another video, and thank you for watching my video, and see you again, Anmers. Thank you.